Yo boys, we're back. I know it's been a minute, but we're here in Los Angeles, California, and I'm gonna make a video today kind of showing you guys how I still stick to my goals while traveling. We're gonna go to the grocery store in a little bit, and we're also gonna train later today. Casey is getting here in about an hour or so, and Jermaine Gadsden, if you guys know who that is, fucking massive, and he's natty. He's probably the biggest natty I've ever seen. Y'all go crazy about Shizzy, but I think Jermaine is more impressive than Shizzy for sure. All right, now I'm fucking glazing, okay? But I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that it's very possible to stick to your goals while you're traveling. Although it is much harder, obviously the temptation's there. You're moving around a lot more, so it's not as convenient to like meal prep and stuff, so you might have to go to Chipotle more often. But there's still better choices to make while you're traveling other than like fast food for every single meal. Tip number one that I can give you guys is to get an Airbnb and not like a hotel or some place without like shit that you can cook with. An Airbnb is much more convenient because you could just go to the grocery store, get everything you would usually eat, and then just cook it and even prep it if you wanted to. For example, we're probably gonna go get chicken and red chicken and then just prep a shit ton of it and then put it in containers if they have containers, or like put it in bowls and shit. And then we'll make rice every day or whatever we're trying to eat for carbs. It's kind of easy shit like that. Just like have a protein and a carb. If you like potatoes, eat potatoes or whatever. But obviously chicken and rice is the greatest, as we know. Also these cutoffs, very slept on item. If you don't have a cutoff yet, you should probably go get one. chickenandrice.store. Probably gonna walk down the street, get a protein shake. Not bringing my camera because we're in LA, riding solo by myself. So I'm not about to have a $4,000 setup, not risking it. We ended up getting a lot more than a protein shake because the gas station I went to did not have any protein shakes or protein bars. So I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna go grocery shopping by myself before anybody even gets here. So we're gonna go over the grocery haul. Everything came out to $72.81. Jermaine requested whole milk. I haven't had whole milk since I was like maybe 10 years old. I got these protein shakes instead of like protein powder, just because we're not going to go through a whole thing of protein powder. If you guys know the meal plan, I have I think 3 scoops of protein powder a day. Jasmine rice for the boys. Olive oil. We're only here for like 2 or 3 days, so it's not a lot of food, but there is 3 of us, so 12 eggs, chicken, strawberries. You guys know I do post-workout cereal, so I got Cocoa Pebbles with the marshmallows. I haven't had these yet, so I'm gonna try those later. I think we're in a very Hispanic area, and even the grocery store I went to was like very Hispanic, and they had fresh pico de gallo, so I got that. I'm gonna put that on my chicken and rice meals and my red chicken meals. Got some garlic salt for like seasoning because I didn't even check if they had like salt and pepper here. And we got the 93.7 red chicken. I think they made this like drawn to scale, like the same size as my Johnny. As y'all can see though, like other than this damn cereal, everything's kind of like whole foods, just like protein sources. We got the rice for the carb sources. We got a fruit. I'm just gonna get right into making my first meal, which is 3 whole eggs, strawberries, and it's supposed to be peanut butter, but I wasn't gonna get a whole tub of peanut butter because there's no shot we're going through that. I really suck at making eggs, by the way, so don't judge my egg making skills. I just go like that, and then it's good enough for me. Also, I did 4 whole eggs instead of 3 because the peanut butter that I use has some extra protein, so I needed that extra protein back, so I just did 4 eggs. Now I just cut some straws up. I think I'm gonna put some pico in the eggs. Like, you can't tell me this is not like peak health meal right here. Strawberries, egg, pico de gallo with like tomatoes and vegetables. But you want to make excuses. Oh, I'm traveling, I gotta eat fucking McDonald's. And no, you don't. Make your own food. Also forgot to mention this, we're currently running a mini cut, so my calories are not above 4,000 anymore like they were before. They were getting crazy. They're probably around 2,300 now, I believe, and we're still sitting around 179, 180. So if I look flatter, that's definitely why. Try to clean up the body fat a little bit and then keep pushing the bulk. The bulk has gotten to a point where it's like my fatness is not really optimal anymore, because you get to a point in your bulk when you're really fat and then you're not really putting on quality muscle anymore. You're more just putting on fat whenever you do increase calories. So I'm gonna try to eat very close to my meal plan. Casey's here, guys.
What up, motherfuckers?
Y'all want to know what fitness influencers do when they're not in the gym.
Just edit all day long.
It's this shit right here.
Plan and edit.
On the computer, working. Do you have a lens that zooms in?
No, I have the ZV-1.
That's why.
Well, no, I'm saying should I zoom after?
Most of the time, it's not that little shit. It's just the video itself.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying? Jermaine made it. We're here. This is the first supper as opposed to the last supper of the trip. Beef, rice, pico de gallo. You get it or no?
No.
No. You see this man, bro? He eats this shit plain. That's why he's so yam.
Plain and simple.
We're gonna eat this and then we're gonna go to the YoungLa gym and we're hitting back. Jermaine, anything to tell him?
Yo.
These are the Utidas. Is this YoungLa?
Yeah, it's YoungLa.
It's kind of hard. I could never rock the wide neck, bro. I just need to get bigger.
You gotta have the ass shots for that. You feel me?
I gotta get bigger. This is the fit though. This is the Lacombe fit. How you fucking with it or no?
10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10. What do you guys tell them?
Yo. No, I'm going with you, bro.
Code chicken. The gang is all taking gorilla mode base. 2 scoop has 400 milligrams. All right, everyone else took a 1.5 scoop, so that's what I'm gonna do as well. I'll do like 1 in like a little bit. Oh shit, I can't even put this in the video. I'm not even supposed to talk about this. Yeah, it's not even out yet.
Put it out.
It's all good. It's Gorilla's new pre. It's like a budget-friendly one they're dropping. It's all good. It tastes really good. It's cherry. This is the pre. Now we're going to the gym.
Everybody back there today.
We are at the YoungLa gym. This is Casey Smelly here with. Hey, YoungLa.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
that's what got you an IFBB Pro card, right? Was chicken and rice?
And bullshit.
I'm so over it.
Can you hold that? Hold the Johnny for me. Thanks. Come on, man. Good. Come on. Good. Bueno. Wide grip lat pull down is next up on the menu. Yes, sir, Ski. This is the iliac lat bias pull down.
I got your Johnny.
Yeah, it's hard not to get my Johnny in the shot, right?
I'm so over it.
We're back from La Gym. I had a protein shake post-worky. Didn't show you guys that, but I had it. I consumed it. It's in my back right now. Currently going to work. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, they can't see shit.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't have no back.
No, you suck.
Oh, fuck. Now we're making chicken, and we got rice right here. Yeah. Little chicken and rice action. And then we're gonna go to bed. We gotta wake up at like 5 a.m. tomorrow for a photo shoot. So this is gonna be the last meal of the day. Moral of the story, moral of the video is you can stay on track and you can eat good while you're traveling. We're out here in California. Get the Airbnb so you can cook yourself, get your own shit. Don't just eat McDonald's the entire time. Yeah, chicken and penis.
Holy shit, wrap this video up.
Yeah, the video.
You're saying the same shit over and over.
Video's over. Gorilla Mind, YoungLa, Helimix, code chicken. chickenandrice.store for chicken and rice clothing.
Peace.
Peace.